Guys, I've like literally tonight, like I was going through my DMs and I have like over 100 DMs plus, and most of it is just because you guys are sending me these rate me type pictures and videos, and it's filling up my DMs. I can't get to the people that have questions. So you know what we gotta do? We gotta go ahead. We gotta make an episode 5. We gotta make an episode 5 because my DMs is flooding. It's like, what time is it? It's 2:52 in the morning. I just gotta get rid of these DMs. You guys are still sending me DMs at this time. I just gotta go ahead. I'm gonna jump into it. I'm gonna go into my requested just to get clear some of these DMs out. I need to get some of these DMs out. So let's go ahead. We're gonna get into the video right now. So guys, let me know if you guys like this spot. All right, I'm trying to change it up a little bit, but we're gonna go into the requested. All right, told y'all. All right, clear. Let me go ahead and get some of these going. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. You spinning. Hey, guys, like look at the end when he go like, ha! Gay! Me a quiz. We don't on that gay shit. We ain't on that. No gay stuff. Alright. But talking about his waves is spinning. Alright? His waves is spinning. About right here, if you want to go on the elite side, about right here, bro, you just need to brush that down a little bit. That's all it is. Just brush that down. Just to extend that wave a little bit. Other than that, you're looking good. So I'm going to say you are a solid, like, I'm going to give you a 9.5, to be honest. 9.5, because you spin. Alright, I really don't got too much to say about you. Let me check this one. Yeah, he's spinning. You do need to get a taper, though, bro. I'm sorry. You need to get a little taper going. Yeah, you spinning. He's spinning. Oh, okay. Right side right here, that probably just brought you down. Put you at about an 8.5 for this. But brush that down right here. You know, get that. Where my brush at? Get vertical. Boom, like that. That's what you need to do right here. Get that pull going, cause that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work, cuz. Let me know what you think about. All right. Okay. Okay, nigga, put on a shirt. I ain't trying to see your whole body and stuff, bro. Like I said, y'all on that gay stuff today. Ha! Gay! You on that gay stuff today? First guy, I got a guy blowing me a kiss. Next guy he's showing me his 6-pack and stuff. Bro, I got a 6-pack myself. I don't need to look at yours. What do you look at yours for? I don't need to see all that. You got spinning waves, curly hair, smooth. What else you got in the back there? You got a curly hair, smoothie, spinning wave. You got a nice pink mirror, huh? Where'd you get that from? Dollar General? It's cool. I feel you. You don't want to spend no money on it. Hold on. Door all open and stuff. Got all that stuff on your dresser. Hey, he over there watching Cops or something. But talking about his ways, we already know I can't see them boys really. I can only see him kind of in the mirror, kind of. Looks like you're a beginner. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give you a. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna give you a. I don't know. What do you guys think? I probably say about a 7. I give him a 7. He looks more on the beginner side. His waves aren't really formed like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna give him. Dude, oh, that is not after the cut. Okay. Okay. You're not looking too good. Your rate's gonna be kinda low. Your rate's gonna be kinda low, my dude. Come on now. Your rate's gonna be kinda low. Maybe this cut might bring that's a look, guys, look. Don't send me pictures like that. I can't see nothing. I can't see nothing. Come on. Come on. How am I supposed to rate this? How am I supposed to rate this? Come on. Alright. Maybe after the cut. Okay, the cut kind of saved you. And the cut kind of brought out the waves a little bit. But it still kind of looks like you're on the beginner side. I think I'm going to put you at a 7. I think I'm going to put you at a 7. 7 is good enough for you. Because you is a beginner. Your waves don't really look like, you know, too formed. And, you know, it's kind of excellent. But yeah, alright. Scrolling up. How am I looking? Well, I don't know how you're looking. I don't rate dudes. We don't rate dudes on this channel. Oh, that's too loud for me, cuz. It's too something. Okay. 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 You trying to go BI? Close up that crown a little bit more. It looks like your crown's going like up and down, cuz. Close up that crown a little bit. But you're spinning. You're spinning. I give you a solid 9. And it's because you just need to get some pull on your waves to extend them a little bit. So I'll give you a solid 9, going on 9.5. You spinning. I ain't gonna lie, you spinning. I hope these pictures don't ruin your rates, bro. I'm about to have to bring your rate down now. Have to bring that rate down, bro, if you ain't spinning in these other ones. Come on, take the do-rag off. Take the do-rag off. Okay. Okay, he's still spinning. He's still spinning. Hey, you got no reason to bring down his rate. Yeah, I see you. No copyright. We ain't doing that copyright. Hey, I'm sorry. If y'all want to say I'm acting like Sir Cruz and he's dang roasting my subscribers' ways, go ahead. But look, this copyright stuff, it's no joke. Like this is playing with our money. Like y'all playing with our money, our channel. Cause look, 3 strikes you out. All right, y'all gotta understand us a little bit. This is like a job for us. Like y'all go work at Applebee's and stuff like that. This is what we do. We are constantly pressured to make videos. Look, we don't want to get our stuff demonetized because y'all putting in copyright music. We don't do that. We don't do that. No, we don't play that. We don't. YouTube, we strict when it comes to this stuff, bro. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Come on, bro. Is it my Wi-Fi or is it you? Come on now. Oh my goodness. Okay, still spinning. Hey man, you spinning. Your ways kind of remind me of my ways. I ain't gonna lie. Your back needs some work, but I'm gonna let you keep your rate, bro. I'm gonna let you keep your rate. No, never mind. All right, okay. Just work on that right there. Your size is a little weak. That's all it is. Work on your size, bro. Give you a solid 8. Give you a solid 8. Just work on your size. You good. Yeah, just work on your size. You really don't got as much work to do as you think. Oh, that's not a. This ain't a bad picture. But it's also not that good of a picture. I'm just going to be honest with y'all. From what I could see, I give you an 8. If you have a swirl, then it's cool. But if you don't, then you really need to fix that crown. Get that wave right out that middle of the crown. Because that ain't looking too tight, bro. But yeah, I give you an 8. I give you an 8. Give you an 8. I give you an 8. Alright. Nope, music still staying off. Okay, you got forks in the middle of your head. Brush that boy. Brush that boy. Come on, man. You can't have forks in the middle. Your head is the most. That's the area you're supposed to. That's the area you're supposed to be brushing the most. Is your middle. Okay, your middle. So how in the world? How in the world is you got forks in the middle of your head, bro? But your sides and your back look good. We know what you brushing. We know what you be brushing. Oh, you brushing your back taper, huh? That's what you brushing. That's why you got forks on the top of your head? Is that what it is? You brushing your back taper too much, huh? I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing with you. You guys are, okay, see? The back and the sides, they're nice, connected, nice and shiny, and laid down. But you got forks on the top? But you got forks on the top? Come on, bruh. Get the forks on the top. Okay, this one, the forks ain't too bad on it. Look like you got 540, though. Look, you got 540. Look pretty good though. I ain't gonna lie. I give you a solid 7.5 because the other ones that you sent me, they both have forks. So I'm gonna go off those 2. What the heck is happening? But yeah, I'm gonna go off those 2. I'm gonna go off those 2 and say that's what you basically look like right now. Cause 2 against 1. I'm sorry, 2 gonna win. But yeah, you just really need to work on that top. To be honest, just really work on that top. Go ham on the top. Brush your top first, and then start brushing around your head. Just so that those forks on the top get broken, and you be perfectly connected. There's nothing else I can say about your waves. So I give you a solid 9. It's really just that top that you need to work on, man. That's it. If y'all see me declining these, it's mostly because like I'm trying to get the DMs out of here to clear for other people. So yeah, let me see. Yeah, you a beginner. You are a beginner. You are a Corsair waiver. I could tell. You're a Corsair waiver. Cool. 180. Go on 180. Your barber doesn't really know how to fade, but I mean it's 180. Yeah, I could tell, bro. That fade is trash. I'm sorry. Like, look, nope, not trying to. Your barber is trash. Like that fade ain't really. It's not faded too well. I'm not gonna lie. You should. Yeah, your barber don't know how to fade. But Your waves is a beginner. I give you a solid. I don't know. Hold on. Give me a sec. You putting in brushwork. I see you trying to get the waves, bro. But I'm gonna have to give you a solid 6, mostly because of the fact you're just not connected. You're not, and the ones that are connected, they're not really roped. They're not really strong. They're still weak. It still looks like beginner waves. So I'll give you a 6. Keep putting in that brushwork. Just since you have it on the top, you got no reason to be slacking, no reason to really be forked up too much, and you should be really making progress very fast. So just keep brushing. Keep brushing that top. It seems like you know your angles. There's nothing really that shows me that you don't. You look young, from what I see, man. So just keep brushing. Just keep brushing. Anyway, all right. Okay. The taper. The taper. The taper. The taper. You see that taper? Look, guys, like when I see a fresh cut, a nice taper, not that weak stuff like the fade we just, not that weak stuff. I mean like a nice taper. Boy, that stuff get me hype. Like, boy, that taper. But looking at the waves, all right, we're gonna look at the waves real quick. We're gonna see the waves. We roasted waves. We ain't roasted haircuts, okay? We ain't roasting haircuts. So I give you a the top looks nice. You brush your top. You brush your top. Your sides is a little weak, which is we expect. Your back is not as weak as your sides, so brush your sides first, then go to your back, then your top. That's the order you should be brushing in to improve those, but while getting progress and keeping the progress on your top. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, 4 months in. You 4 months in, and he's a kind of a beginner. The progress is crazy though. You got the progress though, bro. Fresh. He's fresh. He is fresh. Fresh cut Willie. Okay. Okay. Ooh, he fresh. Wait, hold on. I don't know if these are 2 separate cuts. I just kind of want to point this out because I notice it. I don't know if you guys know, but look at this. See, look at the sideburns on this one. Oh snap, the tablet. All right, there we go. Look at the sideburn, how thick they are on this side, right? But then you turn to the other side, then they ice pick. I hope this is 2 separate haircuts, because if it's not, you stop going to this barber. I hope. To God, I hope you stopped. Or at least saw that boy. Okay. Oh, we got a little show. Okay, but it's clean. The haircut clean. Your waves looking clean, bro. Your waves is actually... I don't know. Okay. I don't know if you got progress like that in 4 months, or the other pictures you sent me were in 4 months, but I'm going to guess that video right there you sent me was you in 4 months. That is crazy progress. You've been putting hella brushwork. I give you a 10 for that. I mean, dude, your waves is roped in, dude. Your waves is roped in. I give you a solid 10. They're connected. Just fix that little right here. Your back is looking pretty solid. The taper, everything. Like I said, guys, send me pictures with you guys getting haircuts, because your haircuts really should make your waves stand out. Your haircuts should not make your waves look bad. They should make your waves stand out 10 times better. So, yeah. That first, I think that's probably the second or first 10 I've ever given out, just because of how clean the haircut made it look. It looks good. Stay with your barber. All right, never mind. Stay with your barber. All right, let me see. You guys see these waves, right? Y'all see these waves, right? Y'all see these waves, right? Dude, elite waiver. Elite waiver. 10. I've never given out these many 10s in a video before. I've never given out these many 10s. I've given out 2 10s already. I've given out 2 10s. 2. This man is roped in. Straight rope. Bro. He's medium technically. He's a medium, but he is roped in there. His waves is laid. They shiny, man. He don't got no taper, but this is how you present your waves. This is how I've been telling y'all how y'all should be presenting y'all waves. I've been telling y'all. This is it. This is... You got another... Bro, I hope... God, please let this picture be... God, please let this picture be the same. Oh, my God. Because... They waves, but we can see some forks there. Dang. I would let you keep your 10, man. I really would let you keep your 10. But I'm going to have to drop you down to a 0.5, 9.5, okay? Because the forks, but boy, you got them boys laid down. You knew how to present it in the first one. You knew how to present it in the first one. Like, that's how you present your waves. I've been telling you. You make sure they lay. Make sure they nice and shiny. That's how you present your waves. Okay? Your beehive looking nice. Your waves looking nice. They're all roped in. They're all strong. It's just in that second one is where you sent me. Is you're a little forked up right here. Just make sure you hit your weak spots first, like I always say. Make sure you comb in. Lay that boy back down. You'll be good. You'll be good. That is how they're supposed to be looking. That's how they're supposed to be looking right there. Alright. I did. I don't even got waves no more. You don't got waves no more? God dog. God dog. Okay. 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 Yeah, my dude, we gotta talk. We gotta talk, my dude. We gotta talk. Like real talk. First, we got a line in your crown, right? You got a line in your crown. You ain't connected. Your crown all standing up. You got to get your crown laid down, my dude. You got to get that crown laid down, my guy. Yeah, combing. You need a comb. You need a do-rag to lay that boy down. You need a good brush to lay that down, bro. You got a lot going on in here. I'm gonna have to give you a 4. It's just a lot going on, man. A lot going on. You really need to get that plastic bag. Get that crown laid down for real. And put in some brushwork. Pick up a brush. Put in the brushwork. Alright. Yeah. 4. Okay. Alright. Bro, how you gonna give me the same angle? You gave me the same angle in every single one of them. What was the point of sending me 3 pictures if all you did was send me the same picture? Look. Look. I hate to do this. I hate to do this to you. But look, same picture. Just your head is a little bit more down, right? We're going to go down to this one. Your head is a little bit more up, but still same angle. Next one. It's the same picture. Bro, come on now. Come on. What's the point? What's the point? Okay. All right, we're going to rate you. We're going to rate you. Come on. Come on. Okay. You're forked up right here. Make sure. Grab your breath. You want me to demonstrate again? Look. Boom, like this. Not like this. Boom, to get extra pull on there, alright? Also, grab a comb all around. Combing helps with connections and deafen your waves. I really can't see your crown, nothing else but your top. So, do you got 180 waves, my dude? Do you got one? I hate to roast you, kind of look kind of young. But it's like, come on, my brother. Come on, my brother. Come on, my brother. You got to. I'm trying to help you. Brother. But I cannot help you if you do not want to be helped. Okay, brother. But you know, I give you a 7. I give you a 7. But you know what? That's gonna be the end of this roasting my subscribers' ways, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and like the video, because of course you like the video. Go ahead and drop a comment, because you guys already know I love reading you guys' comments and what you gotta say. And go ahead and subscribe, because I mean, why not? We trying to grow the channel. We trying to build this channel. And go ahead, while you subscribe, go ahead and might as well go ahead and click on that notification bell, because you guys already know we're dropping fire videos. But, you know, you guys already know, if you guys want to be in the next Roasting My Subscribers Ways episode 6, go ahead and DM me 360_Woods on my Instagram. And if you don't have an Instagram, I'm sorry for you. Make an Instagram. It's free. I can't help you. Just make an Instagram, alright? It's free. And I'll be the first person you guys can follow. Alright, there you go. But don't forget to stay wavy. And it's 360 Woods, and I'm out.